Hi Manish. So welcome to Republic World. It's great to have you.
Thank
I
you.
want to just start off with asking you how is the lockdown treating you and what are you doing during this time?
See, honestly, lockdown is treating me well till now. So far, so good. No complaints, no regrets. The only thing is, yes, we are not able to go to the shoot. And the one thing I'm really missing right now is traveling. I love traveling. I travel a lot. So that is one thing I'm definitely missing. But touch wood, I'm keeping myself busy and I'm shooting for my show, Kya Bolti Public, and season 2 is on. So God is kind.
Great. So Manish, I'll just ask you one question which a lot of us during the lockdown are facing, especially us
Yeah.
men. The grooming problems, right? So a lot of us are not able to get a haircut or get a good shave done. So what have you been doing about it? Like, are you getting a haircut at home or what? How do you
I'm
do it?
getting a haircut at home, man. See, I think I'm keeping decent. So this is something I've tried for the first time. So this is the result of lockdown, and yeah, I'm getting a haircut at home only. Yeah. So my wife has given me this haircut, and I think she's done a decent job.
Okay. Great. So, Manish, tell us more about Kya Bolti Public. What is the format and how has the experience been about doing the show?
Yeah, the experience has been fantastic. It's been a wonderful experience. So it's a poll game show. Where I ask a question. There are 5 questions I ask every episode, and to every question there are 2 options. So people choose which is the right one. So that was something really exciting. That we don't have a right answer. The answer is created by the people. So it's the people who decide what is right. So the option which gets the maximum votes becomes the right answer. So we are quite happy, quite a good response, and people are really excited, and so am I.
Great. So, Manish, we all know you for your hosting and acting, and especially hosting on stage. You have been a prolific host on screen, on stage. So, how different has this been? Like a virtual game show, which you are doing right now, it's pretty different from what you normally do on TV and on the big screen. So, how has it been different?
See, it has definitely been totally different for me. I'm used to big stage, large audience, and a lot of people on stage, and interactions and everything. But at this show, for the first time, I'm doing a show where I'm just talking to the camera. It's me who's doing all the setup, all the angles, the lighting. So making sure that creatively अब क्या नया करें. So so all those things definitely are a task. It's not that easy. But I again thank the lockdown that because of the lockdown, I got to do this show. And because I'm doing this show, I'm learning so much. So I think you have to see a positive thing in everything. And that's what I believe in. So I think I'm quite happy doing the show, man.
Great. Thanks, Manish. If I have to ask you, Manish, what do you enjoy more? You are as much as a prolific host, as much as an actor on screen. So, if I were to ask you, if given a choice, what do you enjoy more doing, hosting or acting?
I love acting, yeah. I love because for that I have to completely change myself. So I have to prepare more. Hosting now comes, touch wood, God is kind, comes like in a flow. But acting, I have to really change myself from what I am. I have to get into the character. So all those things really excite me. So थोड़ा सा bent मेरा acting की तरफ ज़्यादा है.
Okay. Okay. Manish, hosting या acting के बात कर लो तो if any BTS behind the scenes moments which you can share with us, like some quirky or funny moments, one or two, in the recent
यार
past which you have had. Yeah.
यार अभी इसी में हुआ है, क्या बोलती पब्लिक, मैं शूट कर रहा था. एंड so this is the room where I shoot from. So I had kept my camera there. You can see the curtains, so there's a window
Yes.
behind that. So on
Okay.
that I have a suction cup. So with that I stick the phone there, so create an angle. So I was recording and and suddenly the phone fell down flat. And ऊपर थैंकफुली कवर लगा था, वो कवर क्रैक हुआ तो मैं डर गया. मैंने कहा भाई फोन टूट गया, शो अब शूट नहीं होगा. आई डोंट नो, आई कांट इवन गेट अ न्यू फोन. So it was when the lockdown had just started, and that happened. And after that, whenever I do that, I put a cushion नीचे कि अगर गिरे भी तो cushion पे गिरेगा. So इस तरह की तो बहुत चीजें हो रही है यार आजकल.
Okay. Manish, if we were to ask you about the resumption of shoots once coronavirus is done, so that's also a topic of discussion these days. A couple of shows I think have started shooting behind while taking precautions. So, what is your take on the resumption of shoots amidst all the precautions that has to be taken?
See, I feel somewhere we'll have to get back to a normal life. We can't be just sitting at home. There are a lot of people suffering also, waiting to get back to work. Yes, it's going to be very difficult. It's not going to be easy going back to shoots. Especially, the entire crew on the shoots, they have to wear their PP kits, masks, shields. As actors, obviously, we won't be wearing that. वरना पता ही नहीं चलेगा acting कर कौन रहा है. But easy तो नहीं होगा, but I think slowly and steadily we will get there. यार, I think this will pass. Everything will be normal, but yeah, it's gonna take time. So ठीक है, हो जाएगा.
Okay. Manish, one of your recent Instagram posts said that you are cooking a lot during this quarantine period. So, what dishes have you been cooking? And if you would like to share one or two new recipes which you found out or something like that.
यार मैं आजकल बड़ा कुछ बना रहा हूँ. I've started making very nice आलू के पराठे. I make गोभी के पराठे. I started making shahi paneer. I make Maggi noodles, but in a different style. I'm gonna put it on my YouTube in 2 days. So I've recorded that recipe. So बहुत सारी चीजें I've started making different kind of shakes. तो बड़ी सारी चीजें मैं कर रहा हूँ. So I'm just learning यार. So it's good.
Okay. Manish, also I was just scrolling through your Instagram feed. Recently you posted a post about losing a lot of weight during Mickey virus. I think you lost around 14 or 15 kgs during that shoot. So
I did, yeah.
How have you been keeping fit during the lockdown? Basically, because everyone is at home, the gyms are closed. So what do you do for fitness?
This is my gym also. So I have a bench here in my room. I have my weights. So come what may, I work out every day. So that is something which I really follow. Me and my wife, we make sure we take out 1 hour every day. Either in the morning or in the evening, wherever we can fit it in. But we do that because lockdown में थोड़ा खाना पीना ज़्यादा हो रहा है यार, तो we can't deny that. चलते चलते टेबल पे जो भी पड़ा थोड़ा सा खा लिया, so वो चलता है. But हाँ, we are making sure we are working out here. That we definitely do.
Okay. Manish, coming back to Kya Bolti Public Season 2, so the format, which I understand, is about you asking questions and an audience poll. Getting those answers right? So any couple of questions जिसका answers देख के आपको भी थोड़ा shock हो गया कि अच्छा ये है ऐसा.
यार a lot of them, in fact a lot of them, जैसे मुझे exact percentages याद नहीं है, but I remember कि मैंने पूछा था आपके कौन सी super power चाहिए होगी, time travel and something. So a lot of people chose time travel. So I remember मैंने कहा हाँ ये सब वेट करेंगे, टाइम ट्रैवल हो, हम लोग आगे जाके देख लें कि भैया कोरोना कब खत्म होगा. Then there was a question I remember I asked that कि हम हिंदुस्तानी, हम लोग लॉकडाउन का ढंग से पालन कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे हैं. So a lot of people were commenting on that कि कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे हैं, because कहीं ना कहीं ये बहुत बड़ा question है हम लोगों के दिमाग में. So I feel happy when people are immediately connecting to the show, because हमने कोई यार बहुत ऐसा नहीं है कि हम कोई आपकी जनरल नॉलेज चेक कर रहे हैं. We are here that आप लोग रिलैक्स करो, इजी रहो. एनीवेज इतना स्ट्रेस चल रहा है दिमाग पे, तो आपको हम ऐसे क्वेश्चन नहीं दे रहे कि दिमाग पे स्ट्रेस आए. इजी रहो, जस्ट आंसर इन विन मैन.
Great. Okay, Manish. So one more thing which I wanted to ask, and a lot of our viewers also wanted to ask, is basically what are the 5 things you carry while stepping out of the house these days during coronavirus? What are the 5 things that Manish Paul will always have with him?
I have my face mask. I have my gloves. I have my hand sanitizer spray. I have a surface sanitizer spray with me all the time, and I have my phone. So ये चीजें definitely I have with me.
Okay, great. Manish, going through your Instagram feed again, you had shared a very funny post recently where a guy was seen wearing the mask behind his head. Yeah. So,
Yeah.
what is the thinking behind that post?
Yeah, but you know, actually, if you realize, we are wearing masks so much that हमारे कान ना थोड़ी देर में ऐसे हो जाते हैं. So once you take it off after long time, you feel कि तो I thought कि वो उल्टा पहनना पड़ेगा कि कान वापस पीछे जाए. You know, I honestly I found it really funny. So that's why I shared with everybody. कि यार ये भी होने वाला है हमारे साथ.
Great. Cool, Manish. So apart from Kya Bolti Public, any other projects that are lined up from you that our fans can watch and be cute?
Yeah, man. I've just finished a web film, so it's ready now. We are just planning on what OTT it will come. So it's an OTT film, and that's there. It's a complete. It's a little dark film. It's an action thriller. So that is there. Kya Bolti Public, of course, is here. Season 2 is here, and hope we do more and more seasons. And apart from that, I hope we are able to resume shoot soon. So there's a lot in pipeline.
Great. Manish, one last question which I had, which a couple of our viewers were referring to.
Yeah.
So a lot of people are calling you right now like the Amitabh Bachchan of lockdown and quarantine, where you're doing a virtual show online and you are, engaging your fans in a way which, Amitabh Bachchan also does on TV. So how do you react to that?
I feel happy. I feel blessed. So I think that is one of the biggest compliments any artist can get. I feel happy on that, but I can't even come 10% close to what he does, man. I think I worship this man, and Bachchan sir is Bachchan sir, yeah. And the way he does it, nobody can. But I feel happy and obliged that people थोड़ा भी compare कर रहे हैं, तो चलो अंदर ही अंदर खुशी है.
Great. Manish, thanks for speaking to us. Any last message which you want to give to your fans or give to the viewers before going during this lockdown period?
नहीं यार, लास्ट मैसेज नहीं बोलो, मुझे डर लगता है. लास्ट नहीं है, मैं और भी मैसेज दूंगा आगे, बट आज के लिए जो मैसेज है कि यार स्टे होम, यार स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ, अपनी हाइजीन का ध्यान रखो. मुझे पता चला है बहुत से लोग ऑलरेडी पार्टीज करनी शुरू कर चुके हैं. प्लीज डोंट डू दैट. थोड़ा सा टाइम और वेट करते हैं. आई थिंक अनदर मंथ और सो things will be much better. तो थोड़ा सा और, इतना हमने hold on strong कर लिया. Just a little more. Stay safe.
Great. Thanks Manish. Great to speak to you. Thanks for speaking to Republic World. And we'll tune into your show and we'll keep watching the show.
Thank you so much. I'll take care.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I'm Ridhim Anand Bhardwaj. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.